Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat error due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity. Your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The possible reason of this error is when we try to Snapchat account to log in, we will put the wrong password. Anyway, how to fix this issue? We have to launch Snapchat and try to reset your password. If you are unable to reset your password or you forget your password, then force close the Snapchat app, and in Google we have to search for Snapchat support. Then use the first link. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website, and we no need to log in, just tap on contact us. Here we have to select the second option, I can't access my account, and also select I forgot my password. Then tap yes. Here we have to put your username, Snapchat username, and put your email address and the mobile number with your country code. And in information box, you have to put, Dear Snapchat team, I forgot my password and can't access my Snapchat account. Then tap send to send this to Snapchat team, and within 24 hours you will get an email that you provide in your information, and you will reset your password and get your Snapchat account back. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.